In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the find function in Microsoft Excel. So the find function just basically returns the location of a substring within a larger string of text. So here you have text, branded Excel tutorials, and we want to return the substring. And one thing to note is the find function, it is case sensitive for whenever it's looking up the text. Also, if you're looking up a piece of text, like the word Excel, for example, it will only return the position of the first letter in the substring of text. So to use the find function, use equals find, open parentheses. There's three arguments in the find function. The first two are required, and the third one is optional. And you can tell that the third argument is optional because it is in brackets. So the first argument, find text, is what's the text that we want to look up. Let's look up the substring E, comma, within text. Where do you want to look up the text in? Within text is branded Excel tutorials. And then the last argument, start num, basically just allows you to have flexibility is over where you want the search to start. Excel defaults to having the search start at the first position, which would be the capital B in this text. But you can say 15, for example, if you wanted to start later on. So close parentheses, because I don't want to use the last argument for now. So you can see the first position of the first capital E is the capital E in Excel. Go down, the position of the first lowercase e is the E in lowercase e in Excel. And as you can see, it only returns the position of the first E for the substring, so it's also a 10 right here. And same thing with EL, it returns the 13 right here because it's searching up for the same E. Brand is going to return 1. It's next to 1, so it starts at 1 right there. And then so you can see if you try to find the substring Z, it's not in there, so it returns a value error. And to kind of show you what it could look like, whenever you use the start num, so just say we want to start the search to start at 12. As you can see, it now returns a value error because it's starting the search after the E, and there aren't any other E's in this text, so it just returns a value error. The 13 is good. The 13 is good. And the 10 is going to return a value error. It's not going to return a value error for 13 because it's starting the search before that lowercase e. Now it's going to return a value error for brand because there's no other capital B's. Let's just say we put a B on the end of this right here. It's going to, our apologies, if we put a capital, if you just put brand on the end of it randomly, it's going to return 24 because it's able to find brand, but leaving it blank, it's going to return the first brand, and then but by changing it to 12, it's going to return the last brand. So yeah, that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.